In 2014, Protex was a company that produced simple products to highly price-sensitive customers. We suffered from heavy losses due to not being able to provide that added value. So we decided that we needed to do something differently. In 2015, Protex launched its own brand, Ragnarök Collection. It's a maritime workwear collection for the maritime industry. Quite fast, we got the biggest players in the maritime sector as customers. Marine Harvest, Lerøy Seafood, and so on. In March this year, we went out on a field study where we visited those fishermen and the huge cages placed in the open sea. So basically, the waves are high, the wind is blowing, and at the same time, they need to balance on a very thin pier, taking up pen and paper from their pocket, and then they need to keep the balance, making the notes. So actually, it's a very dangerous situation for them. And by using speech to text, they can just lift up their collar. They make the reporting through the microphone, and it's transformed straight into the supervisor's computer. Ragnarök 2.0 is much more than a workwear. It's like having a supercomputer or a sixth sense in your command. It has functions such as speech to text. It can detect a fall. So for example, if a fisherman falls overboard, a signal goes to the supervisor and he or she can take immediate action. It monitors vital signs. It monitors any kind of movement, and basically it improves the workers' safety and work environment, but in the same time it also provides the management with better and faster data to be able to make decisions. The Ragnarök 2.0 consortium consisted of Ericsson from Estonian ICT cluster, Estrotech and Vasombi from Astronics, Tallinn Technical University, and of course Protex.